Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my mini mystery box of awesome for the month of November. Yeah, and Jackson's here with me. We love this subscription. Do you want to pull something out?
Yeah,
Complete random items, but they're always super fun. Ooh. Oh, that's neat. It's one of those pocket water bottles. So they're collapsible, real thin, and then you could fill them up. There's even a little clip on there. Yeah, it says you could fold it up. That's pretty neat. Very cool. What else did we get? What is that? 8-piece iPhone toolkit. I don't have an iPhone. I'm an Android lover. I'm one of those people. But I definitely know people that have iPhones, so maybe I can give that to one of them. That's pretty cool though. It says it has a mini Phillips, a mini flathead, pentalobe, a mini suction cup, 2 non-conductive pry tools. Okay. Cool. So we got that. What else we got? Yep, we always get little brain teasers, I call them, little puzzles and stuff like that. So that's in every bag, little word search.
That's on my side.
Yeah, that one's yours. Okay, open. What's next? What are these lights? Snowflake string lights.
Mom, can we put them around our house for Christmas?
Well, these are tiny, so you can probably use these somewhere in your room or on the fireplace. That would be cool.
He put them with
So they're battery operated. Yeah, we'll do that. Is there anything else in there? Feels like there's maybe one more thing. Oh yeah, our card. Little advertisement.
And it's on this right.
Yeah, I haven't tried that box, but they have like a snack box as well, which seems really cool. I see lots of stuff Jackson likes on there. What else we got?
Give me those. Mom, can you get that box one day?
The enclosed cell phone repair kit says iPhone, but do not worry, it can be used for any smartphone, so go ahead and save yourself some money. Okay, cool. So I can actually use that. Neat. Is there anything else in there, or is that it? That's it? Okay, so those are the items that we got this month. Last month we got that, what is it called, a Kinetic Bracelet. I said that Jackson wanted one. It was a prize for his fundraiser, but he didn't get it because he didn't sell enough. And I'm telling you, that thing's really awesome. And his friends love it too, so it makes a great little gift. So if you want to sign up for one of these subscriptions, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.